In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form using Jotform. Jotform is a powerful online tool that enables you to create forms for virtually any purpose, whether it's for collecting RSVPs for an event, gathering feedback from customers, or even creating surveys. The process is straightforward, customizable, and doesn't require any coding knowledge. Let's dive into how you can create your own form on Jotform in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to visit Jotform's website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. If you're new to Jotform, don't worry, signing up is quick and free. You can easily sign up using your Google account or other platforms if you've connected them previously. This makes the process seamless and keeps all your form data linked to your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to My Forms page. This is where all your form creations and drafts live. To start building your form, look for the Create Form button, which is usually quite visible on the page. Jotform offers several options to get started with your form. You can choose to start from scratch, which gives you a blank canvas to work with. Alternatively, if you're looking for inspiration or a quick solution, using a template might be the way to go. Jotform has a vast library of templates for different use cases. You can also import a form you've created elsewhere, or even create a signable document. For those who have existing PDF forms, Jotform allows you to import these PDFs and make them interactive. For this example, let's choose to start from scratch to understand the fundamentals of creating a form. Once you select this option, you'll be prompted to choose the type of form layout you prefer. Jotform offers two main options: the classic form, which displays all questions on a single page, or the card form, which presents one question at a time. Both layouts offer a unique user experience, so your choice here should depend on the complexity of your form and the user experience you aim to provide. For now, let's proceed with the classic form layout. Upon selecting the classic form, you'll be taken to the Form Builder interface. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice a sidebar with various elements you can add to your form. To start adding content to your form, click on Add Element. Here you're presented with a myriad of options to customize your form. The Basic tab contains essential form elements like text fields, email inputs, and drop-down menus. If your form involves transactions or donations, the Payments tab lets you integrate payment methods. And for more interactive or specialized needs, the Widgets tab provides options like calendars, signature fields, and even quizzes. Creating a form is as simple as dragging and dropping the elements you need onto the form canvas. As you add elements, you can click on each one to customize it further. For instance, you can change question types, modify placeholder text, or adjust the layout to fit your design preferences. Jotform's intuitive interface makes it easy to tailor every detail of your form without needing to know any HTML or CSS. As you build your form, consider the user experience, ensure your questions are clear and direct, and group similar questions to make the form easier to navigate. Also, take advantage of Jotform's customization options to make your form visually appealing and aligned with your brand or event's theme. Once you're satisfied with your form, it's crucial to test it before sharing or embedding it on your website. Jotform allows you to preview your form, giving you a chance to experience it from a respondent's perspective. This step helps you catch any issues or areas for improvement, ensuring your form is ready for the world. And there you have it. You've successfully created a form using Jotform. Whether you're a first-timer or an experienced form builder, Jotform's flexibility and user-friendly interface make it an excellent choice for various online form needs. Remember, the key to a successful form is clarity, simplicity, and ensuring it's accessible to everyone. With Jotform, you have the tools at your fingertips to create forms that not only look great, but also perform beautifully. Now go forth and collect data like never before. Happy form building!